Good morning, students. I hope you are all fine. In the last class, we were discussing about the air colors. So today, we will continue from earthquakes. So we might have heard from earlier. Okay. What is meaning of earthquake? Earthquake means we can say the sudden shaking and vibration of the earth. So we can say sudden shaking, sudden shaking and vibration of the earth. We can say vibration. How it happens? How the shaking of the earth and the vibration of the earth happen? So below the earth, so there is like plates. Okay, like plates will be. That is called tectonic plates. Tectonic plates. So it is present below the earth. This tectonic plates, when it moves, no, then automatically there is a happening of earthquakes. Then automatically there is sudden shaking. By sudden shaking, it creates earthquakes. Now let's see about earthquakes. The focus. What is the meaning of focus and the epicenter? Focus and epicenter. Let's see now. Focus and epicenter. Let's see the location inside the earth where an earthquake originates is called the focus. Focus means what? Below the earth, where the earthquake is starting, originates. Okay, from where it started, that place is called focus. That place is called focus. Then what is the meaning of epicenter? The point at the earth surface directly above the focus is called the earth. So from above this part, this is the earth. This is the earth. The earth surface directly above the part of focus. Focus means what? Where the earthquake is starting from below the earth, below the ground, where it is starting, originating. That is called focus. Then the part above the starting point, it is called epicenter. It is called epicenter. Then the earthquake affecting area means mostly this epicenter place. Near to this epicenter place will be affected more. Okay, while we are comparing to other places, near to places. Then this earthquake may be calculated by seismograph and Richter scale. Okay. So the energy released by the earthquake is intensity. It is calculated by the how much damage it is caused. The earthquake caused how much damage. So it is calculated by the seismograph instrument we are using to find out the earthquake. How much damage, how much speed it has come. So seismograph and also we can record the intensity of earthquake. The power of intensity is described by using the Richter scale. So the scale we are using Richter scale. So this scale has from 1 to 8 levels. From 1 to 8 levels. If the level is 1 means there will not be any damage. Okay, to the earth surface. If it is a 7 and 8 means there is a more damage in the earth surface. The surface of the earth will be collapsed. The buildings will be falling inside that particular place. Okay, so The lowest level of body indicates that there is almost not felt, and at level 8 it indicates a very strong earthquake. If the level is 8 or 7 means we can say strong earthquake is happening. If the level is 1 or 2 means we can say not almost felt, just a slight shaking of the earth only. See, in 2011, Sikkim earthquake measuring 6.9 on the Richter scale was felt across the northeastern of India, that is Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh and southern types. Then what are the damage we face once the earthquake happens? What are the damage it creates? Means, so thousands of people die, then building will be collapsed, then particular area will be affected. So these are the effects of earthquakes. Then let's see the meaning of tsunami. What is the meaning of tsunami? Let's discuss about the tsunami. Let's see about this. What is tsunami? Is a Japanese word meaning tidal wave. So what is the meaning of tsunami? It is a tidal wave. This is like a wave, and it is a series of large seas waves caused by a submarine earthquake and volcanic explosion. So how this tsunami happens? Tsunami happens because of submarine earthquake and volcano explosion. Volcano so this tsunami happens submarine earthquake. So below the ocean, so under the ocean, if there is happening of earthquake, then it creates the tidal wave, large wave in the sea. Okay, and it is when it reaching the coast area, it's a tsunami. We call it. So this tsunami is created by submarine earthquakes. So below the ocean, there is a earthquake happen means then automatically tsunami may happen, and also volcanic explosion. Volcanic explosion happens also, it creates the tsunami. So these both are main reason for tsunami. When if tsunami happens, what happens? Tsunami can cause severe destruction of coast area, islands are the main targets. Okay, a tsunami can destroy anything in that path. So in the tsunami path, whatever is present, maybe buildings, whatever trees, whatever is present, everything will be spoiled by the tsunami. Okay, these include boats, buildings, houses, cars, trees, telephone lines, and anything, whatever is present in the tsunami path, everything will be affected. Then we can say most tsunami occur in the Pacific Ocean. Why we say that most of the tsunami happening in Pacific Ocean means it is surrounded by the ring of fire. It is surrounded by the ring of fire. Ring of fire. So in the Pacific Ocean, this is called ring of fire. Mostly here only the earthquake is happening and volcanic explosion happening in the Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean, so through this way only the more earthquake is happening and volcanic explosion is happening. So this path is called ring of fire. This path is called ring of fire in Pacific Ocean. So due to this ring of the tsunami happens often in Pacific Ocean. Next, Indian Ocean earthquake of 2004. So in 2004, we heard the tsunami happened in the coast of the Indian Ocean. Okay, we can say. So mostly this Nagapattinam, some of the parts are coast is affected by the tsunami and the people were died. Those were living in the coast area. And in 2011, Toku, that is, these both are powerful earthquakes we heard recently. Then the Toku earthquake and tsunami caused extensive and severe structural damage in Japan. So it is happened in 2011. It is in India. 2004. It is in India. And in 2011, it is in Japan. 2011. This both happened severe damage. Okay, more damage happened because of this tsunami. Okay, friends, we will continue